Hi. This is a listening exercise, a listening practice on page 250, 250 in your story, 250, 250, okay? You go get it. You will listen, then circle the word you hear. Okay? Circle the word you hear. One word, okay? Number 1, there. There. Which one is there? Circle. Number 2, drank. 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 Circle what you heard. Number 3, hear. Hear. Number 4, get. Get. Number 5, peek. Peek. Number 6, nade. 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 Number 7, windy. Windy. Okay. Number 8, pay. Pay. Okay. Circle what you hear. Now, take a picture and text it to me. See you on Wednesday night.